Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter can't connect to this network even after you have entered the right password, then watch this video for the solutions. So the first thing we need to know is if the airplane mode is enabled or disabled. For that we'll click on the Wi-Fi button and we'll check if the airplane mode is disabled. Once we know it is disabled, then we will see if there's an issue with the driver. For that we'll right click on the start button, go to device manager, and then we will look for network adapters and the wireless LAN card. We will right click on it and we will click on update drivers, search automatically for drivers. Then we will also, if that doesn't work, then we'll right click on it, click on uninstall device, uninstall again, and then we will click on action and scan for hardware changes, and that should reinstall the best driver for the LAN card and it should start working. If it doesn't, then we have some other options, and for that we need to go to internet properties in the search bar, internet options, connections, go to LAN settings, and then make sure this box is checked, automatically detect settings. If this box is checked, use automatic configuration, uncheck it. Also uncheck the use a proxy server for your LAN option, and then go to advanced, click on restore advanced settings, apply, and then click on OK. And now we will have to run some commands. Those commands are listed in the description of this video, so copy them one by one, and this will reset your IP and also give you a new IP. For that we need to go to command prompt first and then click on run as administrator. In the elevated command prompt we will enter these commands one by one. This will reset the winsock, and if you see, it is given restart the computer to complete this action. So we will do this after entering all the commands. So we will flush our DNS here. All right, and then we will copy but I will not press enter on this, because if I press enter on this command, it will disconnect the internet because it will release my IP. So I will copy this here, but I will not press enter. It will release the IP, and then to renew the IP you need to copy this command and then paste it here and press enter. So now it's not being performed because I haven't disconnected the IP, but if I did, then it would have renewed the IP. All right. So once that is done, then I will do a last step. I will use the Google default DNS as my DNS. For that I will press the Windows and the R key together to bring the run dialog box up and enter the line ncpa.cpl. Press enter. Here I will click on this, right click on it, click on properties, and then I will click on Internet Protocol version 4. But before that, make sure Internet Protocol version 6 is unchecked. Then I will go to Internet Protocol version 4 and I will go down to the lower part of this window and I will click on use the following DNS server address, and the Google address is 8.8.8.8 and the alternate DNS server is 8.8.4.4, and I will click on OK, and then I will restart the computer by clicking on the start button, clicking on the power button and clicking on restart, and your connection to the network should start working. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.